Hello, IT. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Today, I'd like to share a limited time offer to become a certified CertNexus instructor for free. If you are a person who would like to share your information with the open community out there, if you are a mentor, if you're a trainer, I would suggest this is for you. There are different tracks to select from. Me, myself being cybersecurity first responder, I have selected this track for applying. This is a form. I'll be attaching the same with the video. So go ahead, check the form and enroll yourself. There is a deadline for applications. You will have to select a date before March 7th in order to apply. And by March 10th, they'll be sending you the instructor kits. By April 7th, you are supposed to take the exam and clear it in order to get your digital validation to become a certified CertNexus instructor. So have a great day and a great year ahead. Until we see, bye for now.